going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. I'm going to show you an app where you can easily get $25 a week just using this app, doing basically what you would do anyway, throughout your day, as far as like going out to eat, when you're going on vacation, when you're going grocery shopping. This is an app that will give you lots of cash back. I'm going to show you how to use it. Very easy. So let me get into the app real quick and just show you the different offers they have here. Now here's the home page. You see at the top I got $12.48 so far as cash back. They just show you different stores that are offering cash back. If you scroll down, there's even more that you can use. You can kind of search through categories if you want to. They have trended ones. These are the ones that's trending. 2%, 5%, $35 cash back. Just little things like that. Scroll down even further. If you kind of go down, it'll show you the ones that are close to you in your location. So wherever you are. Now, let's say you want to go to a hotel or something. Let's say you want to go to, New York. So let's type in New York. Just put in some random dates. This is going to show you all the hotels that are offering cash back and how much they're offering. So just let it kind of, fill out the information or whatever. And it's going to show you all of these hotels. And you see the amount of cash back you're getting for it. I mean, these are expensive hotels that they're showing, but it makes it a little bit more affordable to the average person when you're getting this amount of cash back. And I can verify that they will send you this amount. I think the most I've gotten for a hotel was like, I think like $2,300 one time. Because I stayed in a really expensive hotel for like a week. But, just gotten cash back. Now, if you want to actually search for cheaper hotels, you can actually, put it in this search, this sort and filter bar. But I'm just going to show you some more that they have. But let me see. You can put in a sort and filter. So you can shop from the cheapest hotels. Just do the money sign like that. And it'll show you the ones that are, the cheapest on there. And it's still giving you cash back. So if the hotel is on this app, it does offer cash back. That's a really cool thing about it. And it shows you exactly how much you're getting. All right. Now, the thing is, you have to stay in the hotel actually to the end of your stay. And then after that, they'll put the money in your Dash account. And then from there, you can cash it out straight to PayPal instantly. You don't have to wait. It just goes to your account just like that. But like all of these hotels are offering cash back. So, I mean, that's how it goes. If you scroll even further, you can see lots of stores they have on here. They usually offer 5% cash back. Sometimes you'll see a little bit above that, but on average, it's about 5%. So like, when I go out to eat or something, I kind of, look on this app real quick and see, okay, I want to go get something to eat. What kind of stores offer me cash back and how much they're offering? So, again, it'll show you the ones that are close to you in your area. So that's basically how this app works. And I've made it really, good money with it. Now, I do want to tell you one of the most important things with this. In order to get cash back, you do have to connect your debit card to the account, okay? Because if you don't have your debit card connected to it, they can't tell that you actually bought these items, all right? So the way you do that, you click on these bars at the top left corner, and you go to accounts and cards and put in your debit card information. It won't take anything out of your account. It doesn't trace you, nothing like that. That's just so they can keep track of, keep track of, the things that you're purchasing so they can give you cash back. I mean, it's very simple. So, I mean, there you have it. You can download it. It's completely free to use. I've made a lot of money with this. I make at the very minimum $25 a week on it just by shopping and, going out to eat and traveling, things like that. So I encourage you to download it. Free to download. Link is in the description.
In making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website,
Get started with it today. And always remember,
that way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.